Taizhou Shengda Plastic Machinery Company Limited, established as a factory in 1995, registered as limited company in 2002, located in Taizhou city of Zhejiang province in China. Absorbing the local mature supply chains in Taizhou, Shenda developed itself as extrusion blow molding machine builder, mold maker, plastic article manufacturer, providing one-stop service to domestic and abroad customers. Machine division and mold division of Shengda are deep in industries of traffic barricades, blow-molded pallets, educational furniture and toys, floating pontoons, plastic containers, automobile parts, mannequin series, outdoor furniture, medical facilities, etc. Plastic container division of Shengda is mainly manufacturing water containers, which widely used in UN relief. We are in framework agreement as long-term supplier with United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee, UNHCR, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, International Organization for Migration, IOM, International Committee of the Red Cross, ICRC. At the meanwhile, we are also partner with other non-governmental organizations as the Federation of the Red Crescent Societies, Red Cross Society of China, World Health Organization, WHO, Philippine National Red Cross, etc. Our products are servicing globally around the world. Pallets division of Shengda is mainly manufacturing and supplying blow-molded plastic pallets, foldable pallet boxes. These products are being popularized for their excellent endurability, pro-environment, high loading capacity, afford multi-trip recycling. We are in direct and indirect strategic alliance relationships with Dapon Logistics, Best Express, TNT, HOAU, Geely Auto, Volkswagen, etc. Shenda welcomes new and old customers from England and overseas with sincerity.